Good morning, third class children. We are discussing about chapter division chapter children. In the previous video, introduction is completed children. Now today also continuing further. Open your course book children, page number 60. Some more topics are here in your course book children. Now let us open page number 60. A relation between division and multiplication. Look here, 700 divided by 10 is equal to 70. Its opposite is 70 into 10. 70 into 10, how much? 700. Therefore, division is the opposite of multiplication. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Look here, 9 into 5, 45. 9 5s, 45. Now, what is the opposite for this? 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9, or you can write like this also children. 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. And next one, 8 into 4 is equal to 32. The opposite for this is 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8, or 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. In division, dividend divided by divisor is equal to quotient. Dividend divided by divisor is equal to quotient. So, in this statement, this is called dividend, divisor and quotient. Okay. The number after equal to is the quotient children. Now here is a formula, division formula. Quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor is equal to dividend. Sorry children, this is not division formula. The opposite for this children. Quotient into divisor is equal to dividend. Okay, look some examples here children. Divide the following and complete the blanks. 448 divided by 8. Now take single digit in left side. 4. 4 divided by 8. Is it possible? No. So take 2 digits. 44. 44 in 8 table. 44 is not there in 8 table. But 8 5s are 40 is there. And 8 6s are 48. The number 44 lies between 40 and 48, and in divisions we have to do subtraction. That's why always choose lesser number. So how many times? 5 times. 8 5s are 40. So 44 minus 40 how much? 4. Now again 4 divided by 8, is it possible? No. There is another place, ones place digit. Write it down, that's place digit 8. 48. Now 48 in 8 table how many times? 8 6 are 48. So 48 minus 48 how much? 0. 48 minus 48, 0. Now in this division, which one is the dividend? Which one is the divisor and which number is the quotient? Very good. 448 is the dividend. 8 is the divisor. 5 is the quotient. Okay. Let us see this one. 574 divided by 7. Take single digit in left side. 5 divided by 7. Not possible. So take 2 digit number. 57. 57 in 7 table. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. But 57 is not there in 7 table. So 57 is lie between 56 and 63. So we have to choose the lesser number. That's why 7 8s are 56. Now 56 minus 57 minus 56 how much? 7 minus 6? 1. 5 minus 5, 0. So 1 divided by 7, not possible. So write it down the next place digit. 14. 14 in 7 table. Yes, 2 times. 7 2s are 14. Now 14 minus 14, 0. Okay children, now what is the dividend in this? 574. What is the divisor? 7. What is the quotient? 82. Sorry children, here we forget to write 8 6s. So here the quotient is 56 children. Divisor 7 and the quotient 82. Okay, fourth one. Next one, third one. 840 divided by 4. So take a single digit in left side. 8 divided by 4. Yes, possible. How many times exactly divides? 2 times. 4 2s are 8. Now 8 minus 8, 0. Now 0 divided by 4, not possible. So write it down, 4. 4 divided by 4 is possible. How many times? 1 time. 4 ones, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Again there is another place. Ones place digit is left there. So write it down. That place value 0. 0 in 4 table, 0 times. So write 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So here 840 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor, 210 is the quotient. Now let us do this one. 6 divided by 9, not possible. So take 2 digits. 68. 68 in 9 table. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are, and 8s are how much? 72. 9 9s are 81. So here 68 is not there in 9 table. This is 9 7s, 9 8s. So the 68 is lie between 63 and 72. So always choose lesser number. So 9 7s are 63. 68 minus 63. 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. Now 5 divided by 9, is it possible? No. So write it down the next place digit, 4. 54. In 9 table 54 how many times? Very good. 9 6 are 54. 54 minus 54, 0. So what is the dividend here? 684. What is the divisor? 9. And what is the quotient? 76. Now the remaining two. 396 divided by 6. 396 divided by 6. Now 3 divided by 6, not possible. Now take 2 digits. 39 divided by 6. Is there 39 in 6 table? No. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. So here 39 lie between 36 and 42. So choose lesser one. 6 6 times 36. 39 minus 36. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now 3 divided by 6, not possible. So write it down the next place digit. That is 6. 36. How many times? 6 6 are 36. Now 36 minus 36, 0. Now what is the dividend here? 396. What is the divisor? 6. What is the quotient? 66. The last one. 575 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5. Is it possible or not? Yes, possible. How many times? 1 time. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 0 divided by 5, not possible. So write it down the next place digit. 7. 7 is not there in 5 table. So again 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 divided by 5, not possible. 2 is the lesser one. So there is another place. Ones place digit 5. 25 in 5 table. Yes, 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25, 0. So here what is the dividend? 575. What is the divisor? 5. Quotient 115. Okay. So look here. Here is an example, children. Divide the following and check the division using multiplication. So 72 divided by 9. 9 8s are 72. So look here, 9 8s are 72. To check whether our division is correct or not, we should multiply divisor and quotient. We should multiply divisor and quotient. Then we get 72, the dividend. So our division is correct. So this rule applies when we get the remainder 0 only. Come to the next page, children. Use multiplication table to solve division problems. Multiplication table make it easier to divide two numbers. Here we need to use the multiplication table of the divisor. So here divide 294 by 7. 294 divide with 7. So here they wrote 7 table. 7 ones, 7 twos, 7 threes. We wrote like that now, but here look, 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 6 7s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 8 7s are 56, 9 7s are 63, 10 7s are 70. Now here take a two-digit number 29. Is there 29 in 7 table, children? No, but 28 is there. So, the number 29 lie between 28 and 35. In divisions, we have to do subtraction. That's why we will choose only the lesser number. That is 28. How many times? 4 times. So, write 4 in the quotient place. 7 4s 28. Now, do subtraction. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Now 1 divided by 7 not possible. That's why they wrote the next place value 4. 14. Now 14 in 7 table. How many times? 2 times. 7 2s 14. Now 14 minus 14 0. So here 294 is the dividend. 7 is the divisor. 42 is the quotient. So here is explanation, children. Look. First, mark the dividend, divisor and quotient. Check whether the divisor is a smaller number than the first digit of the dividend or not. So first check the divisor is a smaller number than the first digit of the dividend or not. So 2 7. Which one is small here? Dividend is the smaller number, not divisor. So here dividend is 294 and 7 is the divisor. The divisor 7 is bigger than the first digit, that is 2 of the dividend. In the multiplication table of 7, find a number that is nearer to the first 2 digits of the dividend. So 2 divided by 7 not possible, so that's why take the next place, that is 2 digit number 29, and which number is nearer to 29, check that number. The first 2 digits in the dividend 294 are 29. In the multiplication table of 7, the number nearest to 29 is 28. That is 7 4s are 28. 4 is the quotient here, so put 4 in the correct place. Then subtract 28 from 29. So answer 1. Bring down 4. Now the number to be divided is 14. Again follow the same method as above to find the digit 14 in the multiplication table. So 7 2s are 14. The quotient is 2 now. Write 2 next to 4 in the quotient field. So here write 2 after 4. So subtract the 14. Now we will get 0. So here divisor, quotient and the dividend. Now up to now we have learned the divisions without remainder, means the remainder is 0. So now in the next video we will learn the divisions with reminders. So here the remainder will not 0. If the remainder may be 1 or 2 or 3. So in the next video we will learn the divisions with reminders and the division formula and some more facts about divisions, children. Okay children, now every day read tables, children. Now today read 11 to 15 tables, children. Read and write, children. Read up to down and down to up also.